welcome back to another episode of Christmas Patooties. In this video, we're going to learn how to do this cute little reindeer. I don't know if you can really see him there, but he's super adorable. And it only takes 2 balloons, really, and a scrap or 2. Okay, so we're going to start off with a 160 blush color for the antlers. Or I see people do deers with dark, like black antlers also. So if you prefer that, you can do that. All right, so we're going to start off with about a 1-inch bubble, and then we're going to do a small loop, and then come down another 1-inch bubble and another loop. So these are going to be 1/2 of the antlers. We're going to come down about 2 to 3 inches, and this is just going to be a kind of a placeholder twist. I'm going to do another 2 to 3 inch bubble over here. This is going to be the middle point of the antlers, okay? And we don't have anything to do with it right now, so we're going to let that go and then finish out our antlers over here on the other side. So small loop, and then about a 1-inch bubble, another loop, and then another 1-inch bubble, and we can get rid of the rest of this. All right, so hold on to this. We're gonna grab a 260 mocha, and I've got about a 2-inch tail on this one, okay? And for the face, we're gonna do, we're actually gonna twist instead of making a loop. So we're gonna do about 2.5 inch bubble on the face. And at the same time, we're gonna grab our antlers and retwist that middle point here. And we're gonna put that in between. So we're gonna kind of sandwich it inside of our mocha balloon. Okay, so we're gonna come down on the other side of that and grab the knot and twist it all together and tuck that through. And now you can arrange his antlers. And if you don't lock them into that twist here, they're just kind of wedged in between the 2 darker bubbles, then you can really play with the positioning and get them exactly where you want them. But if you pull them up and they're locked up top, they're not as stable, and then you really have no control over how they're positioned. Okay, so I think I like that, so I'm gonna leave it like that. And now we're gonna do a round loop for the face of our reindeer. It's gonna be like this, okay? All right, now the body of the reindeer is like the tree. So we're gonna come down for an arm, about 3 to 4 inches. We're gonna do a small loop. We're gonna do a spacer bubble and another small loop here. Okay, and then on these loops, I'm just gonna twist them around like this so that it doesn't come undone when we come back up into the head here. Okay, that. So we've got that so far. Now we're gonna take our remaining balloon and we're just gonna wrap it down around all of that in between our 2 loops and bring it back up into the head. Twist it all in there. Okay, so when you finish, you should have something like this. Just try to arrange it like this if it doesn't do it on its own. Okay, and now you're gonna wanna have a little pinch twist right here, just because if not, then the mouth is gonna push the head back and it's gonna look kind of silly. So we are going to just come out to the very end of our balloon and make a tiny little cut to slowly let some air out until we just have enough air for 1 bubble. That's about right. And I'm just going to take the end and wrap it around the neck, not even tying it because it's really not enough to tie. Okay, so that's just going to sit just like a little pillow at the base of the head, and then the front of your reindeer is going to look like that. All right, so I'm going to do his antlers something like this. Now, one note on the antlers, with them just being a bunch of loops, they're not super like play proof if a kid is going to be playing with these. So I might change the antlers if I'm giving it to a child, and instead of doing loops I would do pinch twist. Still looks good, but it's gonna last longer if they're gonna play with it. Okay, and then I'm gonna cut off the tails on my antlers so that they stop bothering me. Now for the scraps, you're gonna need a little, just a 160 or even a 260 scrap for the nose. I'm doing red, of course, but you can also ask them which reindeer they want this to be. And if it's not Rudolph, then you give them a black nose. Okay, so I just pulled the tail through that loop for the mouth, and I'm gonna wrap it around the neck and hide it inside the body. And there he's got his nose, and you can call it finished at that, but I want to show you one other cute modification. If you have any scraps of your mocha laying around, it's really cute if you also give him ears. So you just need like this much, and just twist that in half. Okay, and the ears go right underneath the antlers, so just open up our loop here and slide them through. And cut off your tail. And look now, how cute is that? I think the ears just really make it look finished. So let me know what you think, ears or no ears. I like taking the time to do just the ears and the nose. Okay, now the artwork on this deer is just like the other characters in this series, but even a little bit simpler. So I'm not going to do cheeks on the reindeer because I'm actually not really sure where I would put them, because they're not going to go up here because his mouth and stuff is down here. So it'd be like maybe here, but I'm not sure if I would like how that would look. So I'm just going to do round circles for the eyes, off on either side of the nose. Okay, there's one. And the other one on the other side. There we got two eyes and little eyebrows. Okay, and we're just going to add the white highlights on the eyes, and that'll really finish this guy off and make him super cute. So just like we've done on all the other characters. And I think I might do both white dots facing in toward each other on this character, because then it'll kind of make it look like he's looking at his nose. A little cross-eyed. It's cute. I like it. All right. So that is the super easy fast reindeer for line work. And just like all the other characters in this series, he's great to go on a centerpiece, bracelet, headband, and all that as well. So hope you guys like this cute little guy. And you can also take it a step further and turn it into a girl reindeer and just add a bow up here up top in front of her antlers. So cute. That's just done, over with. All right. Okay, we've got one more character to learn in this series, so we're gonna head on over to the next video and I'll see you there. Bye.